You can create viral videos like this, upload them to social media, and get thousands of views while potentially making a lot of money. But how does it actually work? I'll show you exactly how. First, go to the video description. I've added a master prompt there for you, so simply copy it. Now, open Google Flow on your device. Google Flow gives you 50 free credits every day, which is enough to create around 3 videos daily. Once Google Flow is open, switch to video mode and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then, choose the OmniFlash video generation model. Now, paste the master prompt into the prompt box. You'll see 2 boxes at the top, color 1 and color 2. Here, you can choose any colors you like. I'm going with yellow for the first color and green for the second. Everything is ready, so simply click Generate. While the video is being generated, make sure to subscribe to the channel because you'll be able to discover new and trending AI video ideas and tutorials as soon as they start growing. And there we go. Our color mixing transformation video is ready. Let's play it. As you can see, the result looks really satisfying. You can try this with different color combinations and create completely different transformations. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell.